Hello students, see the question 34. Determine the order of increasing reactivity towards HCl. Okay, so lesser the stability, lesser the stability, what student, lesser the stability proportional to more the reactivity, So lesser the stability, more the reactivity. So dear students, you see which will give the highly stable compound. So stability means what student? Stability means that is proportional to alpha hydrogen. Okay, alpha hydrogen proportional to that is number of what? Hyperconjugation. Okay, hyperconjugation. So dear students, you check out which is more stable. Okay, which is more stable. So if see that is the third compound, you see student, third, so you will find that is CH3, this is CH double bond CH3. Alpha hydrogen how many? Alpha hydrogen equal to 6. Then if you see another compound, okay, so another compound here is there, this is the CH3, this is again CH3 double bond CH2. So here alpha hydrogen is also, this is alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen is again it is 6. Okay, now last one is CH2 double bond CH2. Here if you see alpha hydrogen is 0. Up here both are 6 students, both are 6, but in this one, that is along with hyperconjugation, resonance will be there student, resonance. But in this case, if you talk about in this case, okay, so resonance is also there in the second case also students, that we cannot say the only one things. So here the carbocation will form students in these categories. Carbocation, okay, possibilities is there. So here it will be that is 3 degree. Okay, so okay, here is the 2 degree. Okay, so here resonance is more student compared to this one. Only 2 is there, na carbon is the possibility is there, it can relocate here, but in this way it can relocate it here, then here. So that is a high resonance, more it is there is more resonance, and more resonance is there and more plus I group. Okay, so because of this the reactive the stability order, if you see, this is the stability order. So reactivity order will be, if you talk about the reactivity order, reactivity order. So how will be the reactivity order? So here is CH2, double bond CH2, then it will come that is CH3, here is C double bond CH2, and here is CH3, and then finally it will come CH3, then CH double bond CH, and then CH3. Okay, so this is our the order of reactivity. Order of reactivity. So dear students, if it is order of reactivity, so that is 1 degree, A is there, then B, and then C. So A, B, C, which is correct answer? Option number second is the correct answer, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.